Guys, it's rewind time. So, welcome to the gameplay of Plants vs. Zombies. Part 1. Yes, I will be doing parts. And, here's the thing about, that Minecraft series I used to find a way. I'm not really doing it anymore, but I can make a live-action remake. Or just a Lego remake if you want. And why isn't this working? Can't hear anything. Dun 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 dun. Okay, I'm probably gonna get copyrighted, so just gotta lower that music down. But I like it. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Man, I love this game. Wait, hold up. Zombie? There's a zombie planting next to these flowers. What is that frick? What should I name myself? Man, this is a... One second. Enter your name. What should I call myself? I will call myself Dave. And now I'm gonna go for my real name. Oh, wait a minute, my neighbor's Dave. Like, in the game. Not in real life, in the game. Adventure. Adventure time. Come on, grab your friends. It's da-da-da-da-da. Jake the dog and Finn the human. On never adventure time. The zombies are coming. I'm more familiar with Plants vs. Zombies too, but I haven't really played all of this game, and plus I don't have to pay. Oh, okay. Tap on the packet. Nicely done. Okay. You can also drag and drop seed packets. Tap the falling sun to collect them. Keep on collecting sun. You'll need to grow more plants. Don't let the zombies reach your house. Okay. Man, it's already been 3 minutes. Okay, why do the zombies have a tongue sticking out of them? Like that. You see that zombie design? I don't like that. Yeah, that's like it. The normal zombies. I'm more familiar with Plants vs. Zombies 2. And I would probably say Plants vs. Zombies 2 is better. But you have to pay for all the good plants. Like that chompy guy. Yet the important classic plants. Yeah, but like the chomp one was important. But here you get it for free, so. Yeah. And no, I'm not gonna do the beat this entire game without a sunflower challenge. Well, maybe I will one day. That's for another day. Level 2. Oh, level 3 walnut. Level 4, whatever. Level 10. Water to pool. Oh. Let's play night to pool. Night? Where are the night levels? Do I have to complete all the day levels? Where it is? Oh. Okay. Oh, we got 3 rows. Okay. Sunflowers are an extremely important plant. Yeah, I know. Try to plant at least 3 of them. I'm probably gonna plant like 2. Yeah, this gives sun way faster. You know the type, it's all dark and dead. You know you brought the petals off my head, said about a bird planted me here. Oh, huh. You know the type, it's all dark and dead. Hey, look at the zombie, and it's gonna, and hope it doesn't eat my head. Okay, that wasn't good. This is perfect. I like this. Gotta plant some of that pea shooter. More sun? Oh yeah. More sun. Oh yeah. We got like a sun garden here. Oh yeah. I get like 1,000. No, it's a ton zombie. Kill it. It's disgusting. Kill it. I like the original design. Maybe I might do a gameplay of beating a level of maybe I could do like a thing of beating a Plants vs Zombies 2 without planting a sunflower, like at least like a gargantuan. Cause like the sunflowers in Plants vs Zombies 2, they're basically useless. They don't like give it off faster or at all. So, oh man, a huge wave. Oh man, I can't believe that we're back in the mine and we got our pickaxe swinging from side to side. Oh man, look at all that sun I got. I'm getting sun. I'm getting a bunch of sun. You know what? I'm gonna collect all of it and plant the biggest sunflower garden ever. Yeah, it's doing damage to a ton of zombies. I don't like that. I'll shoot you. Oh man. Wait a minute. That means it eats faster. Yeah! Yeah, boy. We got the one that costs 150 sun. Okay. Blows up all zombies in the area. Okay. Now I just got away here. Wait, have we unlocked mini games yet? I want to know that. Or when play adventure till night level 2. Unlock more ways to play. Okay. Gonna have to play all the day levels then. Marcos's house. When does Crazy Dave appear? Guess he hasn't appeared yet. And let me plant one of you boys, since you give off sun and stuff. Oh my god, it's a zombie. Pea shooters in this game are like, they're good. They're good. I like them. They're strong. They're powerful, and if I had one as a pet, imagine how much. And they're okay. Here's a scenario: you're Crazy Dave. You have a bunch of plants, and somebody tries to rob your house. What do? Obviously, you just to get a pea shooter and I'll just defend you. Okay, I'll save the cherry one. Oh man, 2 of them. I'm gonna wait for that, but for now I'm just gonna have that. Oh yeah, no sun. Wow. At least freeze some bugs. You already told me that. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this then. But did I seriously just... No. 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 Oh no. Oh man. Luckily the ones in here. How do I fend it off? I use this as an improvised one. Okay. Because you know the type where when they're tall, dark, and dead, and they want to bite all the petals off of my head. Yeah, got 200, son! Now I just gotta... I just gotta wait. Now we just gotta... How he be dead. Okay. Okay, what's that red thing? What are these red things on the floor? It better not be blood. Nowhere it's gonna be blood. Maybe it's just very tiny, like ladybugs or whatever. Oh no! Oh man, the zombie stepped on one. Oh my god! It's a conehead zombie! This is an Avengers level threat. Guys. Oh no. 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 Yeah. Oh, he's dead. You know what? I'm gonna kill all of them. I just like that tune. I love it. Luckily, the second one is about time. But hold up. Didn't we already get a sunflower? Why do we need this? We already, what? What? Guess I'm, woo, okay. This is gonna be, hectic. Okay. Plant one here. Hey, look, more ladybugs. Okay. Let's have like a little group of them like that. That's good. I like that. Oh man. Here's you. Pikachu, Walnut, I use you. Or I choose you, or I don't even know. That's a weird crunchy noise. Yeah, but this game soundtrack is great. It's perfect. Okay, now the wall. Oh no, the walnut. It has a hole in it. It's. Oh no, it is somebody ate its brains. Oh no, it's not smart now. Oh my god. Oh wait, that. I forgot this is Plants vs. Zombies one. Luckily here it's overpowered. Yeah, the pea shooter is overpowered. Okay. Now what? Now what, mate? What do I do now, mate? Since I'm British, mate. Oh my god. Boom. Owie. Okay. Ouch. Ouch. That probably hurt. Oh no! This is an Avengers level threat. Oh no! Oh no! No. No. We need protection. We need to build a wall of nuts to protect us from the ton of zombies that have cones on their heads. Oh no. This is not good. Okay, why did I plant that there? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I do? Okay. I have a lot of sun. Oh yeah, I need that. Oh. Like, okay, Walnut, you're being eaten. Why are you still happy? Oh no! The Coneheads are back. The Conehead attack. They're back for an attack to the max. Maybe. I don't even know. We're building a wall of shells. Protect me. Okay, we're going to need a lot here. Oh man. Wow, man. What did I just do? Okay. Oh no. That's no good. Okay. We've gotta. Oh, I'm not the same. Why did I plant the sunflower? Oh my god. Okay, plants. Okay. Now for the final blow. Okay. This is not good. Nah. You guys, we gotta protect ourselves from the flag. Oh my god. Luckily, we got the 2-piece shooters to defend us from the ton zombies. I don't like the zombies with tons help. Oh my god. We need a shell. Look at all that. Oh no, they've ate themselves through the shell. Oh my god, we're all going to die. We're all going to die. We're all going to die. Oh. Okay. Why don't you just put a shovel? To go plant, make room for another plant. Wait, when you just killed the plant none? Okay, anywho, let's get the potatoes. Level 7 is where we get the chomper guy. Yay. Oh, hello, Dave. Oh, finally, Dave appeared. Your name's Crazy Dave. Oh, and I heard you say Bitey Bob. You can just call me Crazy Dave. Listen, I've got a surprise for you. But first, you'll need to clear your lawn. Use your shovel and dig up those plants. Let's get digging commence. Tap the shovel to pick it up. Keep digging until your lawn is... Oh, I'm sorry for killing your kind, pea shooter. Oh, we're going bowling. Take a swole now. So we're going bowling. Yeah. Defeat the ton zombies. Yeah. Oh. This is not good. Oh no, I forgot. I need that. And that. Spamming them. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta defend that part. Okay, guys. Whoa! 20 minutes? Oh man, okay, this is a lot of zombies. Sorry for being quiet. I'm just trying to kill all these zombies. Oh no, huge wave approaching. Oh my god, there's a zombie there. We gotta murder you, zombie. Oh my god, we gotta murder. Oh wait, we murdered all of them at once. Oh my god, we gotta kill you, and then we gotta get you. Oh no, okay. Yeah, that. Eh. Okay. I like how they bounce. Okay. The ton cone heads. The ton cone heads. Oh no. Oh no. Oh man. Okay. You can get that. Now, you just gotta... Oh, yeah! I want to complete this stage. I want to complete these levels. How much do I have? 10. Whew. Okay. Well, I guess I'll just end it here on a different time. That has the pogo zombie. Has the chomper guy. Okay, wait till next time, or we'll try and unlock the chopper guy, okay? Okay, I haven't really played this that much before, but who knows, maybe we can defeat the fog levels. But let's see the night levels. Okay, that's where you want rooms. Where you unlock, wait, what's this? Oh man, that what? Okay, and then we're gonna complete the night, and then we're gonna have fun in the pool, and then we're gonna have fun in the fog, not really that fun, and then we're gonna jump off the roof, and record that on YouTube. That's gonna be our series, and then we're gonna complete challenges. And then we're gonna try and defeat all the Plants vs. Zombies without planting the sunflower. Which that's gonna be hard. Alright, goodbye guys.